Hi everyone, today we are making salted egg prawns just like the one you would have at a restaurant. Creamy delicious salted egg paired with juicy sweet prawns, this is the perfect combination. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have vegetable oil, fresh prawns, tapioca flour, salt, and pepper. We are going to use these three to marinate the prawns. Plain water, sugar, oyster sauce, and salted egg yolk. But the secret is to leave some of the egg white in it as well. For the prawns, we're going to completely remove the head, shell, and tail, and devein it so that it's clean and nice looking. Then, we're going to marinate the prawns. Add in your tapioca flour, white pepper, and salt, and combine this. We are going to let this sit for 10 minutes at room temperature. While waiting, we are going to start making the salted egg sauce mixture. I have already boiled my salted eggs, so if yours are still raw, you can either boil it or steam it. Just breaking apart the egg yolk like this, then you can add in the rest of the seasoning ingredients and water. So now you're just going to mash and combine until it becomes as fine as possible. When you're satisfied with how this looks, you can then set them aside. We're now going to start frying our prawns. Fry them on high heat. Prawns don't take that long to cook at all, so just fry them until both sides are golden brown. We are now going to officially start making our stir fry. Add some vegetable oil to the pan, followed by your salted egg sauce mixture. We are going to stir fry this on medium heat until they become really fragrant. This step is so important because this is what brings out the aroma of the salted egg. When it is looking like this and have thickened up, you can then give this a taste test and adjust accordingly. Throw in your fried prawns from earlier, give it a few quick toss, and you're done and it's ready to be served.